Squid Game 2 ended on a cliffhanger, and honestly, I couldn't wait for Season 3 to drop. So I decided to take matters into my own hands with a twist. What if the Squid Game was played by cats and dogs? Sounds crazy, right? I'll be using some of the most advanced AI video generators on the market, Sora, Kling, PixVerse, Luma, Minimax, and others to bring this wild idea to life. Each tool will handle a different part of the story, and I'll compare how they do. I am using the text-to-video mode and the single prompt to keep it fair. The prompt is cats vs dogs in a Squid Game showdown. Fierce, angry cats act as the guards, dressed in pink jumpsuits and armed with intimidating machine guns. Meanwhile, adorable and playful puppies, dressed as contestants in classic Squid Game tracksuits, nervously participate in a high-stakes game of green light, red light. In the background, a massive red light, green light doll in the shape of a cat looms over the scene, adding an extra layer of tension. The scene features dramatic tension, epic camera angles, and a mix of cuteness and chaos as the cats enforce strict rules while the puppies struggle to survive. I am also using the open source AI called Audio to generate sound effects to these videos as they come out silent. Ready? Alright, watch closely, compare, and yeah, let me know in the comments which AI you think did the best job and why. Ready to see some furry chaos? Let the games begin.
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. And let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring